Hi guys, welcome to Now You Know. So this is a digital blood pressure monitor, handheld. We are going to try and see it's not working. It's giving this error currently. So we are going to try and see what is the problem. So first of all, here is where you put your batteries, AA batteries, two of them. Then this is how it works. You're supposed to wrap it around your wrist. You're supposed to wrap it around your wrist the way I've done. Then you press the start button. So when you press start, it's supposed to do that. Then eventually give you some results for diastolic and systolic readings. Okay, just bear with me. So this one doesn't read, it gives an error. So we are going to try and sort it out in this video. So now I have opened the device. You can see this is the top cover. Let's just open it fully. So this is the inside. You can see there is a small pump here and another one here, and then these are just connecting tubes. So as you can see here, this is our pump, a small pump here, and it's not connected. I don't know who removed the pump. You can see these are the wires for the pump, this and this, and then there is this other one here which is supposed to connect to the sensor down here. So we'll try and connect them and see if it makes a difference. So guys, we'll do a temporary connection to see if our pump works. Then if it does, we'll now make it permanent. So we'll first press the start button. So this is the start button pressed. Let's see if our pump will run. So you can see the pump is running. Okay, the pump is running. So we'll first of all do a permanent connection, then pick up from there. So right there you can see our pump is running. So this is a soldering gun. We are going to use it to solder the wirings on the pump so that we ensure everything is running okay. You'll bear with me with the light. So just testing if it's hot enough. Not yet. So we are going to connect the pump to these wires. Then from there we'll see what to do from there, because we need to find the connection between these two, then see if we'll be able to get our measurements from here. So now our soldering gun is hot enough, you can see here. So we are going to just solder the wires. So that is our pump. Our pump has been well welded in. So let's try and fit it. So this is now after fixing the pump back. Let's try on the battery and then see what happens.